So hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shantia Elise. I'm back today with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I install my unit. And I'm not going to show you how I do these soft crimps, but if you all are interested, just comment below and let me know if y'all interested on this styling, these soft crimps I did. So thank
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Usually I don't do this often, but since
And I was wondering if I can take you out, show you a good time, invite you to my house. My name is, ooh, bitch, what my name is, though? Let me stop. A lot of people don't even know how to act like that. Image.
I got the plug, I made the call for me.
I did not mean to drop that. Okay, so after you crimp your hair, you see how they not super stiff. I'm gonna have to take this baby hair down, but you see they not super stiff. They move a little bit, but you just gonna put this on here. And just rub your hands through it. Do not comb it. You just gonna rub your hands through it. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna do a little bit more towards the end. And I got makeup on my shirt, y'all, because last night was a long night. And I'm filming this video like 2 something in the morning, so I still ain't got in the shower just yet. So my makeup came off. I went to sleep and my makeup was on my shirt. So I'm gonna come back with my makeup and stuff done, lashes and stuff done. But this is the final look, and you see how them crimps just start. You see that? You see that? They got a little bit more flow, they shiny, and then they move. Like, you don't want no stiff hair. So just rub this in, and your hair, I ain't gonna lie, I feel so junkified with the makeup, but I already told y'all the storyline on it. I'm about to do my lashes. Let me tell y'all something. You do not have to do $100 lash set, $100 lash set every other week. Hey, get you some of these joints right here. I bet I see that. The I Envy 3D collection, these hoes right here. I promise you. And then get you some, these lashes, I do not know what they call, I swear. The Broadway lashes. Or you can get some multi-layer lashes. I prefer the Broadway lashes for some reason. But get these, the Envy joints, and these right here, cut them up and make them individual lashes, and I promise you, the girls will be asking, who did your lashes, but all you did, you went to the beauty supply store and you just cut you up some lashes. And I know a lot of people like, if you broke, then just say that. And I am. I'm broke as fuck. I sleep like a maniac, okay? I sleep bad, and every time I've gotten lashes, they come out the next day. Some people may say it's the stylist, but I went to high-end lash techs, low-end, every time they fall out and my eyes be burning. No, I'm not doing it. So this is my technique. I'm gonna do these off camera, and then I'm gonna get ready. I'm just gonna put some clothes on just to finish out the video and show y'all the final look. So y'all stay tuned, be there.
Thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Wait, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus cloud.
So I will be doing a lot of new videos about new content. So I hope you guys are ready. Stay tuned because it's gonna be crazy. Also, I will be doing another Shein haul pretty soon. I've been kind of like not into Shein no more because there's other websites that are really dope that I do want to do, but I'm a tall girl and some clothes are not really tall girl friendly. But stay tuned for the Shein video I'm about to drop because there's some cute pieces in there. So yeah, this is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Facebook at Tia Elise. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.